My intuition is telling me there'll be better days.
What's up, bad bitches of the world? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, what's up? My name is Natalie and this is my channel, Music2makeup. Maybe if my jacket wasn't so tight. Today's video is going to be an IPSY unboxing, unbagging for the month of March. Oh my god, I cannot believe it's March already. But yeah, I just got done working 14 hours, but I got my IPSY in my mail. So I'm like, girl, you gotta keep working. So that's what we're gonna do. If you would like to see what I got for my IPSY for the month of March, then keep on watching. And if you do like this video, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. You know you want to. Alright, well let's get into it. So IPSY is a beauty subscription for $10 a month. And what I've been doing recently is I've been going to my account and saying I'm not happy with the products I've been receiving, and then they ask you a couple questions like why, blah blah blah, and then they give you like around 22 product options that you can either say yes I would like this or no I wouldn't like it. And they say they can't guarantee any items, but I've been doing it for a few months now and I've definitely noticed that I am getting products that I am enjoying more than if I were to just let them pick it. You know what I'm saying? So here is what the March bag looks like. Oh, I love it. It says, and off she went to change the world. And it's rose gold. Like, I love rose gold everything. And then it has like a royal blue zipper with a little star. So let's see what we got. It's National Women's History Month. Hell yeah, it is. Girl. This was one of the products that I said I would like, and I was really hoping I was going to get it, and that's the first thing I see, so I'm just going to go right in with it. I'm sorry. It is this Oprah highlighter in Star Island. This is full size. Like, what? It's 0.35 ounces. Oh my god, that is gorgeous. It's like a beautiful, like, light white gold. Oh my gosh, that is so creamy. Why is my... Hold on. I have never tried an Oprah highlighter before. I had ordered the Allure Beauty Box for December to get the Nikki Tutorials one so I could get that highlighter, but Allure was playing me and I did not get a box. So I am so excited that I got this. Wow. That's probably like the best product I've ever gotten from IPSY. Okay, moving on. The next product is this IPSY Beauty Poolside Lush Eyeshadow in Get Soaked. Okay, well that could be an eyeshadow or a blush actually. It's like the consistency. Oh wow, that's very pigmented. I was not expecting that. I'm not mad at that actually. I would use that in the crease or as a blush. Yeah. Can't tell me what I can't use it for. I want to put some of that highlighter on. Don't you want to see what it looks like? I'm going to take this Real Techniques brush. I want to see what it looks like on. Woo. So the next product is this Tarte Man-Eater Voluptuous Mascara. And I actually do remember choosing this. This was one of the options. And I've never heard of this mascara from Tarte. It must be new. But the brush is quite similar to the Tarte. Hold on. Let's combine them. Let's do some investigating here. So, I mean, they're not identical. They are different, but it's pretty close. You know what? Tarte does make really good mascaras, so I am excited to try it. And I love the packaging, like purple and gold leopard. Yes, please. All right. The next product is this Pharmacy Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. I definitely do remember choosing this. This is like my ride or die makeup removing balm. I use this almost every single day to take my makeup. And I've already purchased like 2 full-size tubs. I'm almost out of it. And this is going to be my second sample. So like whenever I get a chance to get a sample, I'm like, yes please, because I love it. It's very similar to the Clinique like Take the Day Off cleansing balm, but I find this one to be a lot more moisturizing and just easy to work with. And the last product is this First Aid Beauty Hello Fab Coconut Skin Smoothie Priming Moisturizer. I definitely picked this. If you have not seen my best primers video, you should check that out. But this is one of the primers that I do mention. And like I said before, if I can get a sample of it, yes please. So, wow. I am super, super excited and impressed and like shook at my March IPSY. Like, for $10 I got a full-size highlighter, a mascara, a primer, a makeup remover, like, and a bag. Like, this is definitely one of the best IPSYs I've ever gotten. Let me know in the comments what you guys think or what you got from IPSY. And yeah, I love you guys. I will see you in my next video. Bye.